Hello everyone and welcome. So today we are going to be learning the months of the year and seasons in French. Months of the year and seasons in French. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Janvier, 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 January, février, 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 mars, 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 March, avril, 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 April, May, 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 Juin, 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 Juillet, 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 Août, 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 Septembre, 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 Octobre, 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 Novembre, 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 December, December, December. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at les saisons, seasons in French, seasons in French. Le printemps means spring. Summer, the summer season. Autumn, l'hiver, winter, winter. So now I'm going to be looking at the different parts of the day. The day has different parts. Just like in English, we have morning, afternoon, evening, night, midnight. So French has different parts of the day. Let's dive in. Le matin, le matin, morning, morning. Very early in the morning, we call it le matin, morning, morning. Après-midi, après-midi. Après-midi means afternoon, during the afternoon section when the sun is out, when the sun is very hot, the time between morning and evening is après-midi, afternoon, afternoon. Le soir, le soir, le soir, le soir means evening, during the evening time when the sun is down, it's evening. Evening, le soir, la nuit, la nuit. La nuit means night, night. So another part of the day is the night, the night. So we have the morning, le matin, we have afternoon, après-midi, we have evening, le soir, we have night, la nuit. So those are the parts of the day in French language. It's quiz time. So, what is the month of July in French? En français, quel est le mois July? What is the month of July in French? What is the month of July in French? Let me know in the comment section. For more educational video, like, comment, click on the subscribe button. See you next time. À bientôt.